Hello, today I'd like to talk to you about two different ways that you could share screencasts, movie recordings, or audio recordings that you've created from QuickTime with your learners and parents. The first way is here in Google Slides. Now that I've created my really awesome lesson, I can use the Insert and Video button to go ahead and find something that I've created on QuickTime and already placed in Drive, like this screencast. I can select that, go ahead and place that inside of my slides, and now it's embedded directly in line where I can go ahead and share that and add it to my Schoology course. The second way is actually built directly into Schoology. If I go ahead to the page creator here, and it works exactly the same in the assignment, I can grab Insert Content, the Google Drive resource app, and then I'll be able to search or browse for my video that I'd like to place directly in line, embedding that directly into my directions. Here's my screencast that I'd like to use, and I'll select Import, Import, Embed, which will place that again directly embedded in line with my directions, and it looks something like this. From the learner's view, you can see that they have their directions, the video embedded directly in line that they can watch to see the overview of what the course is going to be about in this case, and then another set of directions with what to do with that information. I hope that this information on how you can either embed those screencasts directly into a Google slide that's shared with learners, or how you can also embed them into your course materials in Schoology was helpful. And as always, thanks for watching.